There has been a nuclear accident in the Soviet Union.
In 1986, Chernobyl, a safety test that violated protocol, led to the worst nuclear disaster in human history. In 1977, Tenerife, a single miscommunication caused two 747 collide on the runway. Throughout our history, many of our greatest disasters have stemmed from a single momentary human error. Now, what if AI could see all of this and intervene at a critical moment, maybe issuing an alert and even forcing a stop 1 second before the mistake is made? What would that world look like? Today, I'm going to show you something really interesting I found in Chinese AI development that's going to blow your mind. At the recent Baidu World Conference, there was a demo. They stimulate a coffee shop and an AI was hooked up to the camera and given the standard procedure how to make the coffee and make the burger. The AI could see the action of the staff in real time and the employee proceed to make a burger. But when they forgot to add the pepper, the system immediately sent an alert.
其实我同事漏了一步啊，那你赶紧改一下啊。
And when they forgot to add the straw to the drink, the system intervened again.
哦，忘了放吸管。
This SOP agent multi-person collaboration that Baidu unveiled this time can achieve over 90% accuracy in step-by-step breakdown even for highly complex multi-person scenarios. Behind this demo is a very simple concept. AI used to be able to see, but now it can understand and even intervene. Take a restaurant chain for example. This AI can watch all process across thousands of chain stores 24/7. It can be integrated directly into the operational flow, monitoring things like food safety, process compliance, supply usage, and employee service. These were all previously unquantifiable metrics which could only be managed through random spot check or corporate training, and now they can be seen, recorded, and even improved, bringing a genuine revolution to the chain industry. But let's go one layer deeper. If you think of a coffee shop or burger shop as a little factory that has a standard procedure, then this detect and intervene capability can be applied to pretty much any field with a standard procedure. In a manufacturing plant, it can observe the process in real time and automatically identify when a human violates a procedure. In the energy or mining sectors, it can replace the human eye, monitoring thousands of wind turbines and checking for safety and compliance issues, dramatically reduce the probability of human error. So why now? Why is this kind of AI vision has been taking place? I think simply because the cost of implementing this technology has gone lower and the results has been much better than before. In the past, implementing a simple function like automatically check if there's a trash on the table might have cost thousands of dollars. You needed an elite algorithm engineer to spend enormous amount of time to testing and teaching the AI. The ROI, the return on investment, is just low, and many of the restaurants, they wouldn't do it. I mean, why would you spend thousands of money just to check if the table is clean? And also, frankly, the results weren't even that good. Baidu's approach is they use a large language model to train small models. You have one powerful central large model that teaches countless lightweight, low-cost small models to perform a real-time recognition on the front line. So the small models don't need to be good at all things, but just the specific things related to your scenario. When the old AI made a mistake, the engineers, they had to go through the process, go on the site, collect new data, manually label it, and retain the model. And the new way is this. The camera is connected, so the data is aggregated and sent back. The system auto-label the data. The AI model automatically learns and iterates. This is also much more user-friendly for companies that don't fully understand AI. You can think of it as scribing to a scene monitor. Each monitoring task corresponds to an uploaded standard procedure. The AI first understands the procedure and then deploys the sentry to a required scene. I think it's pretty cool that when an AI can see, understand the rule, and even intervene. This is just like a full self-driving on the car, but we're talking about the whole world and how the world operates with the help of AI. This is Ragnar Huang, and if you like the video I'm sharing with you about some of the China's insights and how the AI developed, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.